as you can see the topic also, it's friction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we'll be learning about the friction. We will be learning some things like what is friction, what is static friction, what is rolling friction, sliding friction, why are we reading the friction, what are the factors, and at last we'll have a small discussion about this friction, that what have we learned today and what do we think about friction in our own self. Okay, so can I ask you one small question, that are you comfortable only in English or are you comfortable in both?
Ma'am, both.
Manan?
Ma'am, both.
Both? Okay. I by chance, if I'm while explaining, I'm speaking Hindi. Only for that point I'm saying. Otherwise, we will be continuing in English. Okay. So let's start a basic thing. We will start it like an activity. Like suppose I'm having a this brown color surface behind me. If I just start pushing it, right? If I'm just pushing it, it's not able to move, right? I cannot move it, right? And if I'm pushing a thing like this, maybe I can move it or maybe I cannot move it. There are the two possibilities, right? So what I'm doing basically,
When you are push,
if I'm pushing or pulling, so what I'm doing it, how
applying
will, very good Priyanshi, I am applying force. So similarly, you can get the definition of the force, that what is a force?
when we pull or push anything, we applied force.
Yes, a push or a pull is a force. Okay, right? So what we are reading today is friction, that is also related to force only. So before studying that, we need to know that this is a force. Okay, what is a force? Am I clear, Manan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question you will only answer me. Now what happens is, if I'm pushing this backwards, this is not moving. Then the scientists, they observe that if we are applying 100% force to a body, it's still not moving. Why does this happen? Do you love any outdoor activity, both of you? What do you play, Priyanshi? You play? Okay. Let's take the example of Priyanshi only. She loves to play badminton. Now, how does she play badminton? Is like one person is applying pressure on the racket, and then the shuttlecock is going there. But after some time, we observe that it falls down unless and until some other force is applied on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So why does this happen? Because after some time, we can say that air is also applying force on the, or air is also applying force on the shuttle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So similarly, if I'm talking about this person on the screen, for this person also, if he is basically pushing or pulling the car, if it is not moving, that is because of the frictional force. So I can say that if this is the direction of my applied force, then your frictional force will be directly opposite to the it. If I'm taking the example of the shuttle, the force given by the air was directly opposite to your shuttle. That's why it does not keep on moving, moving, moving. At one point, it will fall down. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Can you now give me some examples where you are experiencing this frictional force? Other than this moving or pushing or pulling.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, when we try to push Almira from the other side, the friction opposes our force from the another side.
What do you do?
And when we push Almira,
When you push Elmira on one side, okay, your Elmira might, it might move or it might not move. Yes, Priyanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Any example?
Uh,
Any example? Like you can do anything, na? I've given the most easiest example: pushing, pulling.
Ma'am, when we push an almari,
That is already done. Why you both are thinking of the Elmira only?
when we walk on floor,
Very good. When you walk on a floor, after some time you are constantly pushing a force by moving your one step ahead. So that is your force, but by the road or by any surface on whatever you are moving, that gives you the frictional force. That is the basic examples of your frictional force. Am I clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know that this is your applied force and this is your force of friction. Clear this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So same thing happens when you are kicking a ball, when you are playing a badminton, when the cricketers are playing cricket. Yes, this same thing happens that after some time ball stops. Even if you are cycling and you apply brakes, that also gives a frictional force. How? If you have closely observed your cycle, if you apply the brakes, this particular wheel is moving ahead, and when you apply brakes, that the back wheel, it starts moving in the opposite direction. कभी भी अगर आपने साइकिल को बहुत ध्यान से देखा है ब्रेक के टाइम पे, तो आपका आगे वाला ऐसे ऐसे चलता रहता है, और जब भी आप ब्रेक लगाते हो तो आपके दूसरे वाले व्हील का मोशन ऐसे हो जाता है, तो दोनों का ऐसे मोशन चलेगा तो आपकी साइकिल रुक जाती है. इसलिए रुकती है
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि आप ऑपोजिट में अब आप मूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. एक कह रहा है इधर चलो और एक कह रहा है उधर चलो, तो आपकी साइकिल इट स्टॉप्स देयर. एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. इसका एग्जाम्पल the same thing we will understand ahead in the more other way. I hope the friction is clear to you. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I'm talking about this box, if I'm talking about my phone that is simply kept on the laptop, right? So at that point of time, we know that there is a constant gravitational force that is having on the body.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the gravitational force is always there. Now what happens with the force? If I'm pushing a thing like this, that is the force. But whenever you are pushing something, there is always the frictional force. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. One extra point I'll tell you here. It's not in your book, but since I'll tell you one thing. See, what happens is whenever you're having the frictional force, this point was even given by Newton. Have you heard this word, Newton?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
इनको
it's
तो
a
बहुत
unit
ही सुना
of.
सुना होगा. एप्पल के लिए फेमस है,
Yes, ma'am.
सुना है ना?
Isaac Newton.
हाँ. So he only said, he gave one thing. He said that every action, मेरी राइटिंग बहुत खराब आ रही है इसमें, पर ना समझ आए तो पूछ लेना.
Okay, ma'am.
Has equal and
Ma'am, third law of motion.
very good. It's third law of motion. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. आप देख सकते हो कि अगर आपका फोर्स लगाते हो तो उसी के साथ ही ऑपोजिट में आपका फ्रिक्शन भी लग जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So every action is giving the opposite reaction also. आपको फ्रिक्शन कोई दिखने वाली चीज नहीं है कि आपको दिखता है. It's not anything that is visible to you. It is there, right? But what if something is moving? I'll explain that. Now it's not always ki if I'm pushing or pulling something, it's not always moving. Sometimes it moves also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I was saying that sometimes even if you are pushing or pulling something, it might happen that particular thing will move. Yes, if you ever have a horse ride or elephant ride, that particular elephant is also experiencing friction, right? He's also moving on the road, but still
Yes.
he's able to move forward. Similarly, we are also able to move forward. Not only this, Tonga, that horse cart or bullock cart, they are even holding that particular cart full of people. They are pulling that also, right?
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
horse cart होते हैं वो तो खींचते भी हैं उसे, so they are able to do it. So now, how does at that point of time, how does not they are experiencing friction? We'll explain that at this point of time we can say that friction depends on two factors. How will I came to know कि friction depends on two factors? First, we observe that friction is there, but then we observe these particular things, that it might happen that if your floor is wet or if your floor is very smooth, you might fall down, right? But on the other hand, if you are moving on a rough surface, you'll not fall down. And on a rough surface, moving is literally difficult. That means you need to apply more force. Here my point is that whenever you have a rough surface, you need to apply more force,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So what happens is you can check it by an activity, that if you are having a normal table and you start pushing your particular slice or anything, and you check the force in the spring balance, it will be normal. But if you do it on the rough surface, the force will be more. Why it is? Because your force basically depends on two factors. First, the nature of the surface, and the second is how hard it is pressed. Right?
Yes,
Nature of the surface means if you are walking on a road or if you are sliding on a slide. Sorry. First of all, nature on the surface, I'll explain that. I give you this example. So what happens is, at one end, I was having the normal table and I was pushing it. It was easily being pushed, but on the other hand, it was the jute bag, it was the jute table, and if I was pushing it, I need to apply more force on it.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, why does this happen? We'll understand that. This happens because whenever you having the rough surface, there are basically irregularities between the surface.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll explain that. But basically, let's understand first that what is the spring balance. Have you ever seen a spring balance in your school?
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Have you ever seen the spring balance with the vegetable vendors or any vendors?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
also use it, right? So what do? Is they hang their particular piece here, and this slider, if it moves down, this shows the weight. Right here,
Yes, ma'am.
it shows weight 100 gram, 200, and 1000 grams means 1 kg. So they are telling that how many, what is the weight of your particular object. Am I clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
from this only we were able to check that what is our force. Now you can check, ma'am, force, is it related to kg? Right? This particular spring balance is giving me the force in the kg only. Can say that ना, इसमें तो जो अभी आंसर आएगा वो kg में आएगा, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
फोर्स का कोई यूनिट kg नहीं होता,
Yes, ma'am.
फोर्स का यूनिट kg नहीं होता, पर ये चीज आप पढ़ोगे आगे कि फोर्स में kg आता है पर फोर्स का यूनिट kg नहीं होता. मैं बता देती हूँ बस, क्योंकि अब ये बात हुई है तो you will study it about it in the 9th class that F is equal to ma, और ये m का मतलब मास ही होता है, राइट? इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि आपका सामान कितना भारी है और कितना हल्का है, उस बात पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप उसको पुश कर भी पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, समझ आ रही है? ऐसा लग रहा है मैम क्या बोले जा रही हैं?
Ma'am, I want to ask you.
Yes, मैनन.
F is equal to ma की इक्वेशन में मैम a का मतलब क्या है?
ए का मतलब एक्सेलरेशन है. एक्सेलरेशन जैसे आपकी गाड़ी की स्पीड बढ़ती है ना, वो वाला एक्सेलरेशन. Okay, you will understand it later, but that's in the 9th class. That no need to understand it deeper. But I was just only explaining that how kg is related to force. Okay. Yes, Priyanshi, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
The face is looking that you are not able to understand it.
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me twice.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is your spring balance, and we observed that whenever there is a smooth surface or the rough surface, on the rough surface we need to have more force. Okay, we will discuss about it later that why do we need to have more force, but now let us understand that it depends upon the nature also. I can give one example of the history only before understanding it. If you might have observed that, if you have read that, how does the discovery of wheel started? Do you know that?
No, ma'am.
No. Actually, what happened is at that point of time we do not have any technology.
Yes, ma'am.
We need to carry the things from one place to the another. So what they do is they used to carry it on their shoulders.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they were.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
had to carry. I would say that they had no other options. By chance, they observed that what if we start rolling it, right? Because they observed that by rolling it's very easy. It becomes very smooth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So then we had the discovery of wheels. We had the discovery of our tractors, cars, etc. Like slowly and slowly. But that was the basic thing that if we are rolling something, we will face less force as compared to the normal carrying it on your shoulder or normal holding it on a rectangular surface, etc.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see the screen in all the three videos. You can see that on one end it is going only this point, on the other it is here, and on this surface it is going ahead. Just imagine that I am having the prank on somebody. On one surface I am splitting the water, on one surface I am splitting the oil, right? So that if anybody walks, he'll fall down. He'll definitely fall down.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
But on which surface he will fall down faster?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes,
on oil.
Priyanshi. He will fall down faster on oil because that makes the surface more smoother than the water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So I think by this example only you can understand that your friction depends upon the nature of the surface. Yes, and
Yes.
that's the main
Yes.
reason that why you are able to move or push a thing on the smooth surface, but you are not able to do it on the rough surface. Yes, I think now you are also able to understand that question, that why that person was slipping on the banana peel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because that is slippery. Why don't we slip down on the orange peel or apple peel? Because they are not slippery as compared to the banana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, am I clear, everybody?
Yes.
Any doubts still here?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, what happens is, whenever I was telling you now, we will discuss it. Now, as you can see, these block spikes like diagram, this,
Yes,
this is basically showing you the irregularities. This is not visible by your naked eyes, but they are present there. If you see them by the microscope, it is there. It's not very smooth, right? So if I'm talking about the smooth surface has very minimum irregularities, but as compared to the rough surface, they have very irregularities in the large number.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain once again?
Yeah. See, this is the reason that why the friction depends upon the nature of the surface. You can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the box. This is the surface. this is the surface irregularities and this is the boxed one,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So what happens is, if my surface is smooth,
Yes, ma'am.
so the number of irregularities, they are less.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why you can easily overcome them and you can move it.
Yes,
One point, if my surface is rough,
yes, ma'am.
then these irregularities are more.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, and if they are more, that means you need to push more force to overcome them,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So it might happen that if you are pushing something, you might able to move it. But if a little infant, I mean a small baby, he tries to push it, will be able to do it?
No,
No, of course, because it needs more force, means that body needs to provide more force also. Am I clear? Clear with this point? So why this is happening? This is because of the irregularities present in the every surface. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
This process of irregularities in the rough surface is known as interlocking. Interlocking means if this is the surface and this is another surface, they are locking it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're not able to move it easily over this, right? I'm not able to move here easily and I'm not able to move here easily. This is the interlocking. कि मैं दोनों तरफ से लॉक हो चुकी हूँ, ना इधर वाले के पास इधर जाने का रास्ता, ना इधर के पास इधर जाने का रास्ता, राइट? ये तो हाथ है, हम इसे तोड़ नहीं सकते, बट आप समझ सकते हो अगर मैं कोई भी दो चीजों को लॉक कर दूं तो एक चीज टूटेगी ही टूटेगी ना आगे जाने के लिए,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? वही तोड़ना आपका मोर फोर्स होता है. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you want to understand it, you can also take the screenshots also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's have the another activity. On one hand, this person is having only one box. Let's suppose the weight of the box is 2 kg.
Okay.
Now the same box, there are two. Now the weight is 2 kg and 2 kg. So it will be 4 kg. Which one will be easier?
none.
One box.
Will be easier. Here, your force will be less. But
Yes.
here your force will be more because your frictional force will be greater.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we can say by this activity that your frictional force, it also depends upon how hard the surfaces are pressed, how much weight you are pushing or pulling. Yes. The frictional force is there only, but it depends upon the above force also. Because more pressure means more interlocking. More interlocking means more force to apply. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, it's not necessary here कि rough surface है या smooth. अगर मैं दोनों का ही condition rough ही रखती हूँ तो एक तो पहले से ही rough है, तो interlocking plus वो 4 kg वाला आपका और ज्यादा heavy हो गया. Heavier object means अब ज्यादा interlocking होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
ज्यादा इंटरलॉकिंग मतलब अब आपको पहले से भी ज्यादा फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा. क्लियर दिस पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is a small game. Whatever I have explained till now, you have a small game like across and down. You have the words also. You cannot. We will solve it later on the screen with both of you. Right now, you can write it in your notebook. Write across. Write the word that comes into your mind and do it. Who will do it on the screen? One by one, we can try. Both of you can write on
Yes,
the screen, right? You know how to write it?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Ma'am, I know.
Are you viewing an option that you are viewing Ayushi's screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Beside that, you have an option view options.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on that. There is one option annotate.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on that.
Okay.
You get an option draw.
Yes,
Yeah. So first you can do the opposing force which resist motion. Sorry. can write it, Priyanshi.
Okay.
Priyanshi, in the block.
Okay.
So कि मुझे समझ आ गया. Yes, that's the right answer. That the opposing force which resists motion is friction. Next, Manan, surfaces which offer more resistance.
Ma'am, I don't know what this one is.
ROUGH.
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not able to write.
It's okay. Next, Priyanshi. The changes which cause the state of motion.
Right?
Yes, it's right. Force. Next, Manan. So, okay, I understand it's increase. Yes, E. Priyanshi, will you do it fast?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it. Only the one option is left. Yes, that's the right answer. I hope till this point you have understood about force.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure.
ma'am.
Any doubts you want to ask?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, but I have an additional question to ask.
You have additional?
Additional question to ask.
Ask me.
Ma'am, you have tell me the equation F is equal to ma. Ma'am, is it a law or a principle?
It is right from the law actually. It's not only the law, it's derived from the law. Okay, so the question comes that when you drag a mat when a person is sitting, and if you drag a mat when no one is sitting, what will be easier?
When no one is sitting.
When no one is sitting. The reason is same that the force of friction it also depends upon how hard the surface is pressed. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we see two things like it can be possibility that a particular car is moving and I need to stop it. And it can be the case that if the car is not able to move and then I'm pushing it, right? In
Yes,
both
ma'am.
the situations, I'll definitely experience friction
Yes, ma'am.
for sure. Now, what happens is we need to check that which one will be easier and which one will be problematic, basically. Actually, these type of friction, they are of two types. One, as you can see, it's written static friction and the other one is written sliding friction. Right? So what is static friction? When your object is not moving, but you are applying force so that it moves. Sorry. Right? Suppose कार नहीं चल रही और लोग धक्का मारते हैं, right? तब मुझे क्या चाहिए कि वो मूव कर जाए. और सपोज कार मूव कर रही है और आप उस पर ब्रेक लगा रहे हो, तब मुझे क्या चाहिए कि कार रुक जाए. और कई बार तो ऐसा भी होता है कि सामने अचानक से कोई आ गया तो आपने कार रोकी, राइट? कई
Yes,
बार
ma'am.
आप स्कूटी चलाते हो और सामने अचानक से कोई आ जाता है. ऐसा भी होता है जब हम बहुत जोर से ब्रेक लगाते हैं, एक बार तो हम खुद ही खड़े हो जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता कि बैठे बैठे ही लगा ली, ब्रेक लग जाती है, पर ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कभी कभी कि हम उठ ही जाते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? इवन ये भी हो जाता है, हुआ था लाइक एक आई कैन से स्पीड ब्रेकर था. आई वॉज इन फुल स्पीड. फुल फुल डज नॉट मीन कि 80-100 बजा दी, मतलब ठीक था, बट अचानक से इट वाज लाइक कि आया ब्रेकर, वाज आई डोंट रिकॉग्नाइज दैट और व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. तो मैंने करा और मेरी मम्मा पीछे बैठी थी, वो कूद कर नीचे आ गई. एंड देन आई नीड टू स्टॉप इट. दैट इज ऑल्सो बेसिकली कि जब आप तेज चल रहे होते हो और अचानक से यू आर अप्लाइंग अ फोर्स कि आपको स्टॉप करना है एंड यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट, दैट फ्रिक्शन इज योर स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are the two types of friction. Now what happens is your sliding friction is less than the static friction. What happens that if I'm moving, if the object is not moving, then उसको move कराना is difficult. बट अगर कोई चीज मूव कर ही रही है तो आपको उसे जीरो से आगे नहीं लेके जाना. आई मीन जीरो मीन्स उसकी स्पीड जीरो नहीं है. तो ओके, सो बेसिकली हाउ विल यू डिफाइन फ्रिक्शन? एनीबडी
Ma'am.
एनीबडी वांट्स टू वॉलंटियर और शुड आई आस्क? यस मनन.
Ma'am, a force which opposes the motion of an object is called friction.
Okay. Yes, Priyanshi, on what factors does this friction depends?
Ma'am, on the roughness of the sea.
Okay, roughness and only roughness or anything else?
No, ma'am, nature of
Nature of the substance, very good. Nature of the particular surface, very good. And there
ma'am,
are two factors.
ma'am, and force.
Not forced, it is how hard that particular surface is pressed. Yes, याद रहेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so it depends upon two factors on how hard it is pressed and whatever. Okay? Okay. Last question. I can say like differentiate between static friction and sliding friction. Yes, Manan, what is the static friction?
Ma'am, a force opposed Ma'am, a force opposes the motion of an object when somebody tries to move the object from its rest state.
Okay, and what is sliding friction, Priyanshi?
Sliding friction in which this is moving and we have to stop it so quick and for that we apply brake.
Okay, so I can define static friction that it is the friction that when a particular object is at zero, when the particular object is at rest, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
the force experienced by the body when it is at rest, that is static friction. The frictional force experienced by the body when the body is moving, that is the sliding friction. The second point you can give in the difference is the sliding friction is more than the, the sliding friction is less than the static friction,
Yes, ma'am.
and you can say in the static friction is that it is more than your sliding friction. Am I clear?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can give examples also
Yes, ma'am.
in the same. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now basically it depends like that friction is, we will discuss that is friction good or bad. What do you think we have discussed so far? What do you think? Is it good or bad?
Ma'am, good.
Is good.
I'm good.
And what do you think, Manan? And why do you think that it is good?
I think it's bad.
Abhi, you were saying that it's good.
Good and bad, both.
Okay, it is good and bad. So give me points that why it is good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because without friction we can't walk.
Without friction we can't walk. Okay.
and ma'am, as I studied in the book, ma'am, I learned that ma'am, friction is bad also, ma'am, because ma'am, machines use a significant amount of energy is used up of the machines to overcome the static friction.
Okay. So you studied in your book. That's why you are saying कि याद आ गया
Yes,
bad भी है.
हम
हाँ?
book में study कर.
Okay. So yes, it is good because just like Priyanshi was saying that if there is no friction, you'll not be able to hold anything, you'll not be able to walk, you'll not be able to write, you'll not be able to stand anything, you'll not be able to do it. Right? Friction is required कि अगर मैंने एक बॉल फेंकी तो वो चलती जाएगी चलती जाएगी चलती जाएगी. फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगी.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? वो जैसे महाभारत में
Yes,
बाण दिखाते हैं, चल रहा है चल रहा है चल रहा है, रुक ही नहीं रहा है,
Yes, ma'am.
वही चलता रहता. But we want ki something to stop. So that is why friction is important. But as Manan was saying that the disadvantage is wear and tear. Wear and tear का जैसे आप स्क्रीन देख सकते हो, एक तो लाइक जूते खराब हो जाते हैं, आप लोगों की चप्पल खराब हो जाती है. Why it is there? Because there is normal friction. They are experiencing ना. You cannot see friction. आपको नहीं पता चल रहा कि इनको क्या experience करना पड़ रहा है. पर बेचारे जूतों को तो experience करना पड़ रहा है ना कि हमें क्या झेलना पड़ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? तो
Yes,
इसलिए
ma'am.
वो फट जाते हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं होता.
Yes, ma'am.
Same goes with the machine that whenever you are having machine like Manan was saying, a heat is generated. या फिर आप एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हो कि जब आपने अपने स्टोन्स रब किए थे, राइट, उस टाइम भी जो एनर्जी निकलती है वो आपको दिखती नहीं है, राइट, पर एनर्जी होती है, राइट. एनर्जी आपको तब दिखी जब आपको फायर की फॉर्म में आ गई, राइट, पर उसके पहले तक भी आप कितनी मेहनत करे जा रहे थे, ये थोड़ी ना एक रब की और फायर हो गया, right? So at that point of time,
Yes,
if we
ma'am.
compare it in the form of the machine, at that point of time, your machine, they are experiencing wear and loss. They are experiencing wear and tear. That's why machine needs to be checked regularly. The people having machines, etc., उनको problem होती है. That is all because of that. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So this was all about your friction. That why are we studying friction? What are the advantages? What are the various types of friction? Right? I'll ask one question. You can see the second question. that you have to arrange them in the increasing order of the friction. Increasing order of the friction. Yes, Manan. Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, number one, ma'am, the lowest friction in this case, ma'am, dry marble floor,
Okay. Then,
ma'am, then wet marble floor,
okay.
ma'am, and then newspaper, and then
Okay. And what do you think, Priyanshi?
Dry marble floor
Okay.
and
And
floor.
ड्राई मार्बल फ्लोर में सबसे कम फ्रिक्शन लगेगा.
yes, ma'am, I think so.
वेट मार्बल फ्लोर में नहीं लगेगा.
एक नहीं लगेगा.
Ma'am,
जो चीज
ma'am,
गीली है
क्योंकि
उसमें
ma'am
आप
उसमें water
इजीली,
है.
ऑफ कोर्स उसमें वाटर है.
Oh,
तो
sorry, ma'am.
मार्बल फ्लोर है तो मार्बल फ्लोर पे गिरोगे, और अगर पानी है तो और जल्दी गिरोगे. राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
मार्बल फ्लोर स्लिपरी होता है, पर पानी हो गया तो बस डांस नहीं कर सकते उस पे. Okay, so frictional force is like that. Am I clear with this? So this was all we discussed
ma'am.
today. I hope you are able to enjoy the class, you are able to understand it.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Pakka?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? You are happy with the teacher also, I think.
Yes, ma'am.